Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by looking at the DOM so you know what to target. Open DevTools and inspect the element. This tells you the tag, ID, class, and any attributes. Once you see those specifics, write a simple selector, for example tag, #ID, or class, and test it in the console using document. Query selector or $0 to reference the inspected node. This quick verification ensures your selector matches exactly and prevents guessing later as you build more complex rules. Once you have a basic match, combine selectors to make them precise. Use adjacent or child combinators like parent-child to avoid accidental matches, and chain classes, BTN, primary, to require multiple conditions. Attribute selectors let you target based on values, and pseudo-classes such as nthchild or not narrow the set further. Make sure to test after each change. If a rule fails, simplify and rebuild stepwise so you can spot which addition broke the match and why, keeping your stylus sheet maintainable. Now apply your selector in the stylus sheet and check that it wins over other rules. Specificity and cascade matter. Instead of jumping to important, increase specificity thoughtfully by adding parent selectors or an ID when necessary. Once applied, inspect the element's computed styles to confirm the property is active. If it isn't, test the selector in the console, verify no later stylus sheet overrides it, and make sure there are no typos. One troubleshooting tip: if rules still fail, disable other stylus sheets to isolate the conflict.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.